Hey friends, welcome to another video from the garage. Today we're working on the 2012 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. It's a 2500 model. And we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers. Super easy process. Let's go ahead and do it. Now for this job, all you're gonna need are the new windshield wipers. No tools are actually needed. As long as you have the right clips, this is actually a very simple process to snap in and then snap the new ones on. These are the two that you're gonna need. You're gonna need one that is the 26 size and one that is the 24 size. Now, obviously this is the Bosch. These are the high-end, really nice wipers. I'll put a link in the description box below for the right sizes. Again, for the Bosch, you're looking for the OE at the very end of the model number. And then what I can do is I can put a link in the description box below where you can pick up something like this on Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So basically how it works is the 26 is gonna be going on the driver's side. The 24 is gonna be installed on the passenger side. Okay, so let's start with the driver's side wiper. This is the 26. And I'm just gonna pull it up so we can get to it a little bit easier. And it's held in by this little clip here. Now, your clip may be slightly different. Again, to get this one out, there's a little tongue that sticks into a groove that's here. So I need to pull out on that edge and push forward. And you can see that little groove just pulled out from that tongue, and this just slides back and pulls right off like that. Now, we need to make sure the clip for the new blade matches something like this. Okay, so here's our new blade on the left. And this is the clip that came attached right on it. But if I place this down, I can actually look, there's some various other clips that came in the packaging that may match up a little bit better with what you have. Now, if I look at these two together, it actually matches up pretty well. So I am going to be using this guy that, again, came kind of standard on the blade. In this case, for the Bosch, it's the number 2 for the 2012. Okay, here's our blade with the correct clip. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up and I'm gonna put that little tongue straight into the groove there, just like that. And then basically down here at the bottom, these two little things have to snap behind that area. And so you can kind of manipulate this a little bit. Sometimes what helps is if you squeeze in the two bottom pieces on either side, and then that will just slip in to those notches, just like that. Again, you hear a click. As you can see, those little notches are now behind there, meaning this thing is on nice and tight. And that's basically it. We're just gonna stick that one back down there. That again is the 26 for the driver's side. I'm gonna get the 24 now on over here on the passenger side. Now there is one last little feature with these specific wipers. They come with this little safe check, and basically you remove this sticker, and underneath you'll see a little green kind of strip. When this turns yellow, it means you need to check your wipers to make sure they're clean and good to use, because it means you're about to go into some bad condition. So a nice little feature with these specific wipers. Okay, our final step is to give them a go. Let's go ahead and turn these guys on. All right, nice and smooth. We're gonna have to put some wiper fluid in next and give those a nice, good test to make sure they're working good. If you're interested in seeing that video on how to refill your wiper fluid, stay tuned. We're gonna be posting that here soon. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, because we're making a ton more Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van how-to tutorial videos. Those are coming out really soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.